Hello, my name is Trúc. In this tutorial, I would like to show you automatic model creation of cylinder building. This is the model in your tutorial in your trial version. The cylinder building have three walls. C in the center is the concrete to carry the deck, and the internal facade A and external facade B. We have two formats of input, the text input and the accent input. In this case, I don't use accent input, so it's renamed not used here. If you prefer to use accent input, so you rename the text input to not use. It's exactly the same whether you use text input or accent input. So we start with the text input here. We have 7 regions of the cylinder building. So now I don't open the input yet, so I just run. It's here, curate cylinder building. It comes a message box for me. It's then 2 floors, it curated, and total area of 2000 square meters. I click OK, it takes a few seconds. You have cylinder building here. And in external tools, I create now, for example, beam and columns. So the beam columns is located around the cylinder building in the classes, at the classes where it cannot carry the deck. The position of the beam and columns is then in the 7 regions of input here. So the next I run is the internal room, form A, this one, and internal rooms B from the external facade. And then I curate the floor. So this is the cylinder building, curate from the 7 regions of input. So now I press Ctrl Z to undo everything, go back to the beginning. And now I want to increase the area in the first region of input. I increase the 2 top floor to be 1500 square meters, bigger area. And the radius in cylinder C is increased to 15 meters, 15. And then I curate it again. You see the total area now 2015 square meters. So like we see in the north view, we see it's realistic. So we have a bigger area, 1500 square meters is then here in the input. So we go to level 0 to check dimension. Double click on level 0. It's better to see it in scale 200 for the dimension. So I curate dimension now, curate dimension. So you see here the area for the walls A is have diameter in 10 meters, is double of the area you input here, 5000. And the diameter for cylinder C is 30 meters, is double of the 50 you enter under air RC here. So return to the 3D. The columns still be there. So I create the beams and columns. I return to this one. In region door and windows, you assign how many doors you want on walls A, B, or C. In this case, I have 4 doors for A, B, and C, and I have time 207. So what is the type 207? I can see it here in ICDAS family image. 2-page view, and I go to family door. 207 is here. So I close this. In the next tutorial, I would like to show you the continuous part of this one.